current Mississippi law says you can leave your baby up to 3 days old with an employee at any emergency medical provider, a hospital emergency room, or at a licensed adoption agency here in the state. But that could soon change.
A Senate bill would amend the current state law enacted in 2001 and expand that 3-day window to 7 days, giving a birth mother more time to make a decision.
This is a way for a birth parent who's feeling overwhelmed to be able to get the baby someplace safe and not have the responsibilities of parenthood.
When a child is dropped off under current law, it's taken in at an emergency medical services provider with no questions asked. Rob Kirsch is an adoption lawyer who practices law here in the state. He gives us more insight into what happens after a child then heads to the Mississippi Department of Child Protective Services, going into the system as a ward of the state.
What is the system? The system is really the foster care system. So right now, there are a lot more kids in foster care in Mississippi and in any state than there are people to adopt them.
Kirsch also tells me he wishes more birth moms would consider preparing for the option of having their child adopted if they aren't ready to be a parent, rather than having to resort to using the Safe Haven law.
Under Mississippi law, you cannot consent to an adoption until after the baby's born. And you can't do anything to obligate yourself to consent to proceed with an adoption until after the baby's born.
Kirsch says birth mothers can use those months of pregnancy to get information and get educated on making a well-informed decision about your child. He suggests talking to an adoption agency or an adoption lawyer to make a decision that's good for you and your baby.
Now, as for Safe Haven law, it is still working its way through the state Senate. If the measure passes, lawmakers want the expanded drop-off days to go into effect on July 1st of this year. Troy Johnson, 16, WAPT News at 10.